The NEOPLAN Skyliner 2026 is the flagship ultra-premium tour bus from the German manufacturer MAN, which sets new standards in the segment of intercity transportation. The model impresses with a combination of futuristic aerodynamics, exceptional passenger comfort, and high-tech safety solutions. Of particular interest is the limited edition Warder Edition. It was released in only 30 copies as a tribute to the brand's anniversary, which makes these buses especially valuable among collectors and premium carriers. An inline 6-cylinder MAN D26 diesel engine with a common rail system is installed under the hood of the bus. Its displacement is 12.4 liters. The unit develops a power of 520 horsepower, or 382 kilowatts, and produces an impressive torque of 2,650 Newton-meters, ensuring confident movement even on difficult routes. The engine is paired with a 12-speed automatic transmission, MAN Tipmatic, characterized by smooth shifting and economy. The 3-axle chassis is complemented by an independent front suspension and an electronically controlled supporting rear axle, which significantly improves the maneuverability of the heavy bus and increases stability on the road. The environmental parameters of the model comply with the strict requirements of Euro 6 standard. Due to the use of EGR systems and the SCR filter, harmful emissions can be minimized. At the same time, the bus demonstrates a record low level of CO2 emissions per passenger, which underlines its energy efficiency and compliance with modern environmental trends. The overall dimensions of the liner are 14,000 millimeters long, 2,550 millimeters wide, and exactly 4,000 millimeters high, and the capacity varies from 78 to 85 passengers, depending on the selected cabin configuration. The interior space is organized according to the principle of two worlds. The lower and upper decks offer fundamentally different use cases. On the lower level, there's a cozy lounge area with an L-shaped kitchenette where you can prepare hot meals and drinks, as well as a premium bathroom and a hidden compartment for driver's relaxation. In the rear, there's a spacious luggage compartment with a volume up to 11 cubic meters. The upper deck is designed as a panoramic area where the ceiling height reaches 1.80 meters, and extensive glazing, a glass dome in the bow, and skylights create a flying effect and fill the cabin with natural light as much as possible. The driver's workplace is designed according to business class standards. In front of it is a 12-inch digital instrument panel and a 7-inch media screen, and multimedia control is implemented through a rotary Smart Select controller. The 2-zone climate system allows you to independently adjust the temperature on the upper and lower decks, providing comfort for all participants of the trip. NEOPLAN Skyliner 2026 buses are manufactured exclusively to order through the NEOPLAN individual division, where the final cost is calculated taking into account the individual requirements of the tour operator and the selected finishing materials. In Europe, the price of a new bus in the basic configuration starts from about 450,000 to 500,000 euros, and copies of the limited edition Warder Edition are much more expensive. In the secondary market, 1-year-old cars from previous years are offered by European dealers in the range of 230,000 to 295,000 euros. Did you like the bus? Friends, subscribe to the channel and like it.